bottom line, Amy's done screwed herself because she hasn't gotten a job. And she's not, I have it every time I go to the workplace, whatever it is, on Main Street. She's never there.
Keep your focus on her. She's a pregnant one.
Yeah, but you're the awaiting daddy.
You're supposed to be the proud mom.
Yeah.
I am, but I'm not proud of cameras. I hate cameras.
I don't care. I'm taking them anyway.
This isn't for you. This is for your son.
That's right.
He gets to see me for the rest of his life.
Yes, but we can show because we can show him how you looked when he was born, the day he was being born. All right, Dominic. This is Mama right before she's having you.
Oh,
Vanessa, look at me. There's Mama. There's Auntie Sherry, right?
Yeah.
This is Angie.
I figured that.
And this is Dad there. And there's Grandma.
Oh. I feel like I'm 5 years old today.
Yeah, because somebody didn't sleep.
That's right.